Morning children, welcome to math session. Now children, today we will be doing chapter 6 coins and currency note. In our previous session we finished chapter 5 multiplication. As you know, we are doing revisions of the lesson which we have finished earlier. We have done revision also of this all the lessons, correct? So we are doing this revision according to the exam point of view. That means our patterns are according to the exam point of view, correct? So let us start. Select the correct alternative to answer the following question. This will be your head question. Select the correct alternative to answer the following question. You just have to select, children. You don't have to write anything in the exam. Okay. To answer also the following question, you have to just select the correct alternative. You don't have to write anything. This head question will be of 5 marks. That means 5 questions will be asked, 1 marks each. Okay. What is the value of a 200 rupee note? What is the value of a 200 rupee note? I repeat the question. What is the value of a 200 rupee note? Option A, 200. Option B, rupees 100. Option A, rupees 200. Option B, rupees 100. What is the value of a 200 rupee note, children? This I taught you and we have done in our previous session also. The numbers have changed but the questions are the same. What is the value of a 200 rupee note? Option A, 200. Correct. What is the value of a 200 rupee note? Option A, rupees 200. What is the value of one 20 rupees note and one 2 rupee coin? What is the value of one 20 rupees note and one 2 rupee coin? Now children, I am having one 20 rupee note plus I am having a 2 rupee coin. So what is the value? What will be the total amount that I am having? 20 plus 2 will be option A, rupees 12, or option B, rupees 22. What will be your answer? Option B, rupees 22. Correct. Because 20 rupee note and 1 2 rupee coin will make rupees 22, not rupees 12. If there was a 10 rupee note and a 2 rupee coin, then it would have been answer 12. But it is a 20 rupee note and a 2 rupee coin. So it is 22. 3 coin of 5 rupees make how much rupees? 3 coin of 5 rupees make how much rupees? Option A, rupees 15. Option B, rupees 8. Now here children, I am having 3 coins of 5 rupees. Okay. So what I am going to do is 5 plus 5 plus 5. 3 coins of 5 rupees. Now I will count and total how much rupees is there. 5 plus 5 will be 10. 10 plus 5 will be 15. So 3 coin of 5 rupees will make how much rupees? Option A, rupees 15. 3 coin of 5 rupees will make how much rupees? Rupees 15. Option A. What is the value of 4 notes of rupees 500? What is the value of 4 notes of rupees 500? Option A, rupees 1000. Option B, rupees 2000. What is the value of 4 notes of rupees 500? Option A, rupees 1000. Option B, rupees 2000. Now let us calculate, children. 4 notes of rupees 500, correct? So 500 plus, wait 1 second. Okay. 500 plus 500 plus 5 and plus 5. Okay. 500 plus this 500 will be 1000. 1000 plus this 500 will be 1500, and 1000 plus this 500 will be 2000. Correct. So what is our correct answer? 2000. So what is the value of 4 notes of rupees 500? 2000. Option B, rupees 2000. 2 notes of 50 rupees make how many rupees? 2 notes of 50 rupees make how many rupees? Option A, rupees 100. Option B, rupees 25. Option A, rupees 100. Option B, rupees 25. 2 notes of 50 rupees make how many rupees? Now we'll calculate and see. 50 rupees plus 50 rupees will be how much, children? 50 plus 50. 2 notes of 50 rupees will make how many rupees? Rupees 100 or rupees 25? 5 plus 5 is 10. Correct. So 50 plus 50 is option A, rupees 100. So 2 notes of 50 rupees make how many rupees? Rupees 100. How many 20 rupee notes will make 100? How many 20 rupees note will make 100? Option A, 4 notes. Option B, 5 notes. How many 20 rupee notes will make 100? 4 notes or 5 notes? Let us calculate. 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20. First we will calculate with the 4 notes. Okay. 20 plus 20 will be 40. 40 plus 20 will be 60. And 60 plus 40 will be 80. Correct. So will it make 100? No. So if I add plus 20, one more 20, that is 5 notes. So 20 plus 20 will be 40. 40 plus 20 will be 60. 60 plus 40 will be 20 will be 80, and 80 plus 20 will be 100. That means how many notes? How many notes, children? How many 20 rupee notes will make 100? 5 notes. Correct. How many 20 rupee notes will make 100? 5 notes. Okay. Let us move to the next. Now, select the correct option to state whether the following is true or false. This is also your head question. This will be of 5 marks. Okay. Now, rupees 10 plus rupees 20 plus rupees 5. Okay, is equal to rupees 35. Rupees 10 plus rupees 20 plus rupees 5 is equal to rupees 35. Option A true, option B false. Let us see. 10 plus 20 will be 30. 30 plus 5 will be 35. Correct. So it is true or false? True. Correct. Because rupees 10 plus rupees 20 plus rupees 5 is total amount 35. So option A true. Now rupees 50 plus rupees 100 plus rupees 1 is equal to rupees 150. Rupees 50 plus rupees 100 plus rupees 1 is equal to rupees 150. Let us calculate. 50 plus 100. 150 plus 1, 151. But here the answer is 150. Here the answer is 150. So it is true or false? Yes, children. We are getting 150 by doing the total. But here it is given 150. So is it true or false? False. Correct. It is false. Okay. Next. 10 notes of rupees 10 is equal to 100. 10 notes of rupees 10 is equal to 100. 10 notes. Okay. 10 notes of rupees 10 is equal to rupees 100. Now let us calculate and see, children. One note of 10 rupee will be 10. Two notes of 10 rupee will be 20. Three notes of 10 rupees will be 30. Four notes of 10 rupee will be 40. Five notes of 10 rupees will be 50. Six notes of 10 rupees will be 60. 7 notes of 10 rupees will be 70. 8 notes will be 80. 9 notes 90. And 10 notes of rupees 10 will be 100. So true or false, children? Option A true, option B false. Option A true, correct. Why? Because 10 notes of rupees 10 will make rupees 100. Okay. Now next. Rupees 10 plus rupees 20. Rupees 10 plus rupees 20 is equal to rupees 40. Okay. Option A true. Option B false. Rupees 10 plus rupees 20 is equal to 40. Let us calculate and see, children. 10 plus 20 is how much? 30. Correct. But here the answer is given 40. So it is true or false? It is false. Why? Because 10 rupees plus 20 rupees will be 30 rupees and here the answer is given as 40 rupees. So your answer is false. Now select the correct option to fill in the blanks. This will be your next head question, that will be also of 5 marks. Okay. Now the question is, the value of one 10 rupee note and one 5 rupee coin is dash. Option A 15, option B 20. The value of one 10 rupee note and one 5 rupee coin is dash. Now one 10 rupee note you are having and one 5 rupee coin. So 10 plus 5 will be how much, children? 15 or 20? Yes, option A 15. The value of one 10 rupee note and one 5 rupee coin is rupees 15. Now rupees 100 plus rupees 100 plus rupees 200 is equal to dash. 100 rupee note plus one more 100 rupee note plus one 200. How much, children? Let us calculate and see. 100 plus 100 will be 200. Correct. And 200 plus 200 will be option A 300 or option B 400? Option B 400. Why? Because 200 rupee note will make 200 plus if we add one more 200 rupee note to that, it will make the total amount 400. Two coins of 5 rupees make dash rupees. Two coins of 5 rupees make dash rupees. Option A 10, option B 20. Two coins of 5 rupees make dash rupees. Option A 10, option B 20. Now if you are having two coins of 5 rupees, children, what amount will it make? Option A 10 or option B 20? 5 plus 5 will be? Yes, children, 5 plus 5 will be 10 or 20? 10. Correct. So two coins of 5 rupees will make 10 rupees. Now the value of a 500 rupee note is dash. The value of a 500 rupee note is dash. Option A, rupees 500. Option B, rupees 50. This we have done earlier, children. The value of a 500 rupee note is dash. Option A, rupees 500. Option B, rupees 50. Yes, answer is option A, rupees 500. The value of a 500 rupee note is rupees 500. So with this, children, we finish our today's session of revision chapter 6 coins and currency notes. I hope you are understanding this revision very well. Children, copy all the questions in your notebook and solve it by yourself. These questions are going to come in the exam. Okay, children? Bye. See you soon. See you in the next session.